want you, baby. Feel your heart beat close to me. Wanna stay.
How are you all doing? We're back on SE500 cab. If you do like what we're doing, please do like, subscribe and share. Like I said, any companies we use we will put in the description underneath, and comments and tag them for you. So what's been happening this week? Well, at the moment not a lot. We've got the car on the jig, rollover jig. I'm just going to let you all have a look at it in a second. Like I said, we're going to go through the car this week. We're going to do as much as we can. We're going to get it cleaned. Pretty boring video this week, I think myself, but it needs doing, and let's get cracked on with it. We've got a few brake pipes to pull off underneath and not much else underneath really. There's absolutely nothing left under the car. Let's get it jet washed, go through it, get the welding patches done, and yeah, that's where we're up to so far. So as you can see, she's on the rollover jig now. She has had an XR3 trim put on her. A lot of you've been commenting saying it's an XR3. No, she's not. She is a 500. She is a bit crusty underneath. As you can see, we'll get the steamer out in a minute, and steamer underneath. But yeah, look, she's got plenty of tar on her. Plenty. There's that hole. But as you can see on a cab, the metal is a lot thicker than a normal escort. The fleece is really crusty in places, but she is really solid. We found some welding to do, which is there. She's very minimal. I think we've got a bit on the same up here where somebody's made the kit fit, and it's a bit rubbish. But there you go. Give her a quick jet wash, take these rear shockers off. I'm going to try her on the front first. I'm going to get the oscillator on and give her a blast and see what she comes up like. Well, there you go, just 5 minutes just to see what it will come up like, and I think I won't sandblast it, you. I think we'll just wash it and repaint it. I'm quite impressed with that. In places there it's actually took the stuff off right down. That's just 5 minutes. Just try on the arch there now and see what that does. You can see she's really clean underneath all that. So what we'll do, we'll put some chemicals on her now to peel all the rest of the mank off her. Get her jet washed, get her repainted, found some more holes there, get that one fabricated back in. As we said, that one there, she's an hole, so presuming they've done the same with that one, which is just stuck filler over it. But yeah, we'll get her cleaned up as you can see, she's not that bad. So I'm hoping to get her all clean this week, and we'll start refabricating all the parts back in it and move on from there.
As you can see, we jumped into the vehicles, it's very boring. Then taking the figures, we have to make each one of those. There's only that, you can see all the previous people concealing everything else. So obviously we have to achieve good quality canning. So we still need to wash with a hot on the outside of this. And actual technical spring, so very high positive. And we went over which way candidates into it. Where it is, push the temperature up and get out to bring that up. So I'm going to nice, it's just boiling up. And the process is going to do this, what's happening, you'll get the process in boiling. That's really positive, because unfortunately the inside of the bottle is a bit of a boiling bit.
Now we've done most of the jack washing, pretty wet. We'll get it all spun over. Now we'll do the other side. But well, it's not a bad base there, what we've got. It's pretty clean. Let it dry off now. I'll get that piece welded up. Okay, she's solid. Just all flaking off there now. Bit flaking off under there. Get this XR3 kit off. Get it painted, and then we'll get her built up. Get all the bottom painted first, and then we'll concentrate on getting all the running gear back on. I've just done inside there.